In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Loop for recurring meetings. If you run a weekly check-in or a monthly review, Loop can keep every agenda, decision, and action item in sync. We'll set up a central workspace, prepare a reusable notes page, link it to a recurring calendar invite in Teams or Outlook, and share it so everyone can edit together in real time. Open the Microsoft Loop app and create a new workspace to serve as the home for this meeting series. Give it a clear, descriptive name and a short overview so newcomers know what belongs there. Keeping all meeting content in one workspace makes past notes easy to find and keeps related pages organized. If others will contribute, confirm they have access to the workspace so they can view and edit without delays. Add a new page and select a meeting notes template. Templates give you a consistent structure with sections for the agenda, discussion points, decisions, and action items. Tweak the headings once to match your team's style, then keep that skeleton for every occurrence. Consistency speeds prep and makes scanning history effortless because the same details appear in the same places every time. Next, open your calendar in Microsoft Teams or Outlook and start a new meeting. Add a clear title, invite the right participants, and include any brief context they should review. Before sending, set the meeting to recur. Pick the cadence, daily, weekly, or monthly, and confirm the time, duration, and end date. Defining the series upfront keeps scheduling tidy and ensures your notes and follow-ups track cleanly over time. In the meeting invite, choose Add an Agenda or select the loop icon labeled Collaborative Notes near the bottom. This attaches shared notes to the meeting, giving everyone one place to co-author the agenda beforehand and capture outcomes during the call. If you customized your template, mirror that structure here so each occurrence opens with the same familiar layout. Finally, click the Share button to turn those meeting notes into a Loop component and paste it into the meeting chat. The component is live, so everyone can edit in place and changes stay in sync for the whole group. During the meeting, record decisions and assign action items right there so nothing slips through. With a focused workspace, a repeatable template, a recurring invite, and shared notes, your series stays organized and accountable from one meeting to the next.